From smartphones to laptops, screens dominate our world, providing endless information and entertainment. However, this constant engagement with digital devices has given rise to a new concern: digital dementia. While not officially recognized as a medical condition, digital dementia refers to the cognitive decline associated with excessive screen time and the overuse of digital technology. Here is all you need to know about what digital dementia means, its potential impacts on our health, and how we can take proactive steps to prevent it. What is digital dementia? Digital dementia is a term coined by neuroscientists to describe the deterioration of cognitive abilities due to the overuse of digital devices. This phenomenon is likened to the symptoms of dementia, such as memory loss, decreased concentration, and impaired learning abilities. The term was popularized by German neuroscientist Dr. Manfred Spitzer, who warned that heavy reliance on digital technology could lead to cognitive deficits similar to those seen in dementia patients. Research supports these concerns. A study published in the journal Frontiers in Psychology found that excessive screen time, especially in children and adolescents, is linked to reduced attention spans, impaired emotional processing, and difficulties in memory retention. The brain, much like any other organ, requires stimulation to function optimally. When we rely too heavily on digital devices, we may not be engaging our brains in the way necessary to maintain cognitive health. What is its impact on mental health? Half of older adults now die with dementia. Study: the overuse of digital devices is not only linked to cognitive decline but also has significant effects on mental health. Prolonged screen time has been associated with sleep disorders, increased levels of anxiety, depression, and a diminished ability to interpret emotions. According to a study in JAMA Pediatrics, children who spend more than 2 hours per day on screens are more likely to experience psychological problems compared to those who have less screen time. This suggests that digital dementia is not just about cognitive impairment but also encompasses broader mental health issues. How to prevent digital dementia? Preventing digital dementia involves adopting a more mindful approach to technology use. Here are some strategies to protect your brain, body, and eyes from the negative impacts of excessive screen time. Set boundaries on the amount of time spent on digital devices each day. Aim for less than 2 hours of recreational screen time daily, particularly for children and adolescents. Regular physical exercise is crucial for brain health. Activities such as walking, cycling, and yoga help improve blood circulation, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive functions. Quality sleep is essential for brain function. To promote better sleep, reduce screen exposure at least an hour before bedtime, and ensure that your sleep environment is comfortable and free from digital devices. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as reading, solving puzzles, learning new skills, or playing a musical instrument. These activities can help counteract the cognitive decline associated with digital dementia. Add practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature. These activities can help reduce the stress and anxiety linked to excessive screen use.